and girls, welcome to today's show. We are making chicken gyros. We are gonna have fun. We are gonna eat. I think by the end of this video, we will have transformed from something that we are something that we will transpire to. Am I making sense?
No.
Chicken gyro talk show, take one. That is something I've wanted to make since 2022. Chicken gyros, let's go! Pita! We're making our own pita bread. It is 1:19 in the morning, no, in the afternoon.
You can see your girlfriend there.
Today I'm actually not gonna use the scale. I'm just gonna wing it with the cup. I have this cup. I've had this cup. This was my auntie's cup, but I inherited it because you know what matters in this life is inheritance. And I got this inheritance from my auntie Betty. 3 cups of AP flour. What the hell?
This is your auntie.
Hmm.
Guys,
You didn't know Betty's my auntie?
this is your auntie.
Nancy! You thought Betty's my sister-in-law?
Your cousin.
My cousin! Okay, why don't I call her auntie? It's just cause her name is Betty. Why don't I call you auntie? Okay, no. She's my really good friend. The other 3 cups of AP flour. That is a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of yeasty, 1.5 cups of lukewarm water. Bring in our trusty mwiko and we just bring that together, just like that. Let me go in with my hands. This is becoming a bit tedious. Soon, very, very, very soon, we will have a KitchenAid stand mixer. That has been my dream for like 17 years. For the past 17 years, I've known Shiro for like 2 years now. Since I met her. Shiro, what phone do you use? Since I met her, she's been wanting to get a phone. Let's say if like this video gets to like 1,000 likes, just 1,000 likes. At 1,000 is a stretch. Let's say 500 likes. I am going to get you a good phone. Let's not push it to 1,000. Let's say just 500 likes. That icon that's like. I will. Why are you guys in doubt? We will get there. Don't worry, my boys and girls. I will also get you a KitchenAid stand mix. So do not worry. Do not worry. I got you. Let us move that to our trusty table. We are molding flour. I should have added olive oil. I forgot that. We do 2 teaspoons, just 2 teaspoons of olive oil. I was so impressed. Normally, I would get like, there's a video actually till today, it has about 125 views. My trusty subscribers, out of nowhere, I have 785 views on that video. Do you know, 780, that's like, this is 1 person, this is 1. Then you have 2. Then you have 783 people. You guys are so amazing. You have the pizza sando. Yeah. 785 views on YouTube. Just a light twinkle of olive oil. I'm gonna take my round ball, my roundness of ball. Oh, that is perfection. Drop my fat dough in there. Just let it vibe for like an hour. As our dough is resting in there, let's do chicky, a kg of chicky, because we use real measuring units. The best of the best chicky thighs, look at that. Skinless, boneless, well proportioned. Garlic powder, some cumin, oregano. Oh, holy cow, that's a lot of oregano. Like 2 tablespoons of paprika, some chili flakes, like a teaspoon or so. Spice that you can handle, not spice that will your tongue, just spice that will cuddle you and be like, I'm here with kisses. A pinch of salt, freshly cracked pepper. We do love pepper around here. And we bring that together with a light twinkle of olive oil, our good friend olive oil. Every piece of chicken needs to get that spice blend. And the best way to do it is with your hands. Your hands, my boy. Cover it up with cling film real quick and let it rest for like an hour as well. Yeah, just an hour. You can let it go for 12 hours, that's overnight, or even up to a day, 24 hours. But do we have a day? What do we have? An hour. As everything is doing their thing in the warm oven and in the fridge, we're gonna make tzatziki. Remove the ends of the cookies and onto this interesting side of a box grater. We just let it rip. Let it rip. I'm gonna try and place my cookies in here. This will work. Oh yeah. squeeze the life of the cookies. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Monsters, do your thing. Look at all that water. That is what we don't want. This mangled up, dried up cucumber. This is what we want. What do you mean cucumber is bitter? What exactly do you mean? Because it's not. But maybe some of us have lighter taste buds, or some of us have differently built taste buds. Like I can taste sugar, you can taste bitterness in cucumber. You gotta have balance. Our Greek yogurt. I would take Greek yogurt any day, anytime over any kind of yogurt. It has actual volume. You know this yogurt you can put in your mouth and it's like but Greek yogurt is like, I'm here. Can you see me? I'm here. Can you feel me, my dog? Yep, Greek yogurt in there. Oh my god. The lightest pinch of cayenne pepper dill in there. A light pinch of salt, some cracked pepper, and a twinkle of olive oil. Oh my days, garlic. Please add garlic in your tzatziki. Let me do olive oil for aesthetics. And our tzatziki is done. How simpler could it get? Oh my boys and girls, look at that. It's been a restful 1 hour. Boy, oh boy. Look at the size of that dough. I love seeing my bread dough all puffed up like this because I know we're gonna have some nice beautiful bread because my yeast was alive and it wasn't dead. What was the name of this lovely subscriber? Are you subscribed? Are you subscribed, subscriber? The name is Tushi. I once put yeast in my dough without blooming. It was dead. That's what they said. Okay. Ooh. Oh yeah, and it's so soft. It's time for Pita! 864 grams. 100 grams of 8 eighths. Snare. 100. Yep, that's 100. Another 100. Yup. They smell so elevated. Like you can just smell the yeast in there. Let me just cover them up like this so that they don't dry up. A light dusting of flour. And we're gonna give it that classic pita bread shape. Pita! It's like a long oval. Kashti iron pan. I had greased it a little bit. Turn the shit on, hot pot. The pita bread goes in. I can see you have a bright future. Keep up, bro. Thank you, Gabriel. Once it's nice and puffed up, just like this, let's give it a flippy. Ooh, look at that. There goes our pita. We're just gonna cover them with this nice towel and let them vibe. Let them vibe in there. Let them get all nice, warm, soft, and let them get to feel like how you feel when you go to bed after a long day because they've been through a lot. You think a hellfire is a joke? They've been through a lot. We want you to rest, okay, my babies? Because they're gonna eat you. Same pan you did the pita bread. Pita! Just a touch of oil. In goes our chicky. Oh yeah. We're gonna do 2 bits. Just 2 bits. Oh Lord! Chicky was doing her thing in the cast iron pan. Then out of nowhere, Chicky decides to kill us. No, not to worry. No, you know, okay, it's oh yeah, a couple of turns. Let me go down to oh Lord, let me go down to 120. I think that is too hot. Also, I have a new what's that thing? Induction cooker. I don't really know how to use it perfectly, so we were like doubling in and out. The chill flicks were trying to finish us off. I think they were in cahoots with the cheeky. Don't worry, Shiro, we're gonna make it. You know, when the colonizers were in Kenya, turned the heat down to 120°C, and it was peaceful again. Yeah, let's go. We escaped narrowly. Look at that chicken. We got some extra oils. Onions are pretty cool creatures. Vegetables, not creatures. Some nice thin slices. Onions, we're gonna hide them in there. These are very tiny onions. Some water in there and just let them vibe for like 5 minutes. Yeah, for like 5 minutes. I need a very sharp knife when I'm doing the onions. And I mean the tomato, because tomato requires, oh, when I close my eyes I feel nice. I think I need to... Okay, my boys and girls. Just some thin slices as well. Our meaty has been resting. It's perfectly cooked. The juices are juicing. Can you see the juices in there? We just want to chop them up roughly. This is valuable juices, so don't throw it away. Why were you torturing me, Cheeky? Why? You're this good? Oh my Lord. That is good, Cheeky. Back in here, with the juices, as you can see. Yeah, with the juices. I'm trying to like mix it up with the juices because the juices are just, oh my god. I can't shut up about the juices. We have chicken. Our assembly line is coming together. We have tzatziki. We have the onions, little mats, the pita that has been chilling and vibing. Pita! Mr. Griffins, look at that. Just rub it in there. Just go to town with it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yo. Toppings, tzatziki, chicken, onion, tomatoes, fries. Oh my god. I was so ready for assembly and I was so hungry, so sure we're going to eat. Until I look at my notes and I'm like, pita, tzatziki, chicken, onion and pepper, fries. What fries? Am I gonna make fries? Really? Me? Fries? We're making French fries. Just peel the potatoes. What is that green stuff? I don't get what the green stuff is. It's not ripe. It didn't ripen. It didn't cook. Was the potato sick? Vaccination? The green potatoes are bitter. Oh my gosh. And now we can have fries. Interesting looking fries with the tiny potatoes. Because Shiro went and stole potatoes. She didn't buy potatoes. She stole potatoes. Our potatoes are potating. Go into this tiny bowl over here. Some ice water. Bring in a pot of oil to heat. Let me dry this up real quick. We are at 170°C. We're gonna lay in our French fries, boys. Okay, that's our French fry, boys. We're gonna let them vibe for about 3 minutes till they're nice and soft. We fish them out. At 190°C, we can go back in. Oh yeah. You just let it do its thing till it's nice and golden. 6 minutes in, boys and girls, we have the perfect fry. Look at that. Oh, goody! Immediately, we just kiss them with some salt. Boys and girls, I will listen to this fry. That is one hella crispy fry. And to think we would not make it to the end, boys and girls, we are here! We are here! The name is DB6_. Nice video, bro. Keep it up. You're going to get famous. Trust. Ah, thank you. Thank you, my man. That means a lot. At times I'm like, no, do I have to? But such comments, they make me want to make the videos. You guys have no idea. These are the comments that I live for. These are the comments that push me to make these videos that I make. So you guys, thank you. It's assembly time. It's assembly time. To those who doubted me, well, you can kiss my tiny cheeks. I'm gonna do a thick scoop of tzatziki in there. Oh yeah, some more. Oh, okay. A thick scoop of that chicken. Okay. Now you're speaking my language. Ooh. Cheeky! Some thin slices of onion. I believe you need to get a bite of every... Should say it with me. I believe you need to get a bite of Should say it with me. I believe you need to get a bite of everything. God damn it, Shiro. Good, beautiful looking tomatoes. A light pinch of salt over the tomatoes. And freshly cracked peppy. Okay. A beautiful handful of the French fries. Okay. A spring of deer. How am I going to eat it? You made ask like a taco. Congrats on 2K subs. It's me, Anthony, your cousin. Do I know you? Yes, I do. That is Anthony. Yeah, I have 2,100 and... Wait, no, not 100. I have 2,030. Ooh, that's a heavy boy. Look at that. Holy ball. The bread is so soft. This is like nothing I've ever had, like ever. This is... The fries are still crunchy. The chicken is still chicken. The tzatziki is in there to lube everything. You like have a nice slide down. The deal is really standing on business. Let me make my friend one. I'm sure she'll be happy to have this. Sparkles! Sparkles! I need you to like stay. Sparkles! I have some food for you. I want us to like enjoy this together, right? No, eat yours. Eat yours, Sparkles. Eat yours. What? What, Sparkles? Just go to town with it. Like, was my gyros good? Let me wipe your face. Next time when I cook some more, I'm gonna ask you to come. Sparkles is the most obedient and supportive dog I know. Lexi is, you see, like I called her like 56 times here and she was like, Lexi, I wanna lick my paws. My paws are nicer than this. Deep into the paws, you can't hear me. Boys and girls, that's all I had for you today. I don't know whether it was enough, but please make this. This is, oh my god. We love you guys so much, like so much. You guys have really, that was dog. 500, 800, 200, 100, that one person who comes to watch my show, or that of those 800 peoples, you guys, I do this for you. I didn't shoot a video last week and I was like, I want to have a recipe for my boys and girls, and that really pressured me to like come here today, and so we did this. So thank you guys for popping by. Thank you for passing by. We do love you so much. If you did love this video, please like it. If you want to see more of this content, subscribe. And if you feel you don't want to see much of this content, like and subscribe, because we want you to stay. And I'm gonna be better. No, I'm not. I'm gonna be the same Sam from Sam's Cooking. So much love. Peace out. You know, today you were in the show. No, guys, if you made it to this part of the video, that means you love the stuff that we do around here. So please go down into the comments and type Shiro needs a new phone, just to make her happy. Right?